What's going on, guys? So today was kind of crazy. Um, my max position button, or my max position limit, just doesn't work. You can see here, I got filled. MTP, it was like 3,000 shares. Because honestly, I just held Shift 4, and it bought the first 400. But then I kept holding the key. Like I hold the key. That's what I do, and it just bought up all of my buying power worth. You can see here, it bought up $4,700 worth of this stock. So like you can see kind of the orders in here. They're all bought like for random like amounts at the same in the same millisecond. So. That was kind of messy, but other than that, I took a couple other trades on it. I accidentally took 600 shares. That was on purpose. Anyways, I'll go over the trade in a second. So I was buying down here, as you could see down here, wherever it was. I was buying down here for the first breakout, first 1 minute candle to make a new high. So I bought right here, 124. Apparently with like 33 or 30 something hundred shares, so that instantly that freaked me out. Like I'm supposed to be using 400 shares, right? So it screwed up my plan. I was originally thinking that this will break through the tops and I'll be selling probably into a candle like that. So I was looking at this, and this looks great. So I bought into this candle. And I was looking to sell up near highs. But what I did instead was I was selling. I'll show you the video. I was selling into the 29s, the 30s, because I had too many shares and I didn't want it to go wrong on me. So I was thinking, I guess it's good. I was thinking more about losses than profits. So very quickly, I'll show you. Remember, I'm trying to make these videos shorter. Actually, the very first trade was on AVGR. So I was looking at it over the pre-market highs, and I got in at 84. Unfortunately, I sold out early at 89, and it took off to 92. Maybe I would have gotten the fill at 92, and that would have been like a $20 winner or something. But I sold out of that too early. But I'm not too upset about that. Where is it? MTP is where the madness is. So yeah, this is where I'm trying to sell. Like, you can see I have way too many shares. I don't know what to do with that button. Like, if I just hold it, it keeps buying past my max size. So I guess I'm really gonna have to change and just press it once and take my hands off. Well, not take my hands off the keys because I have to sell it, but just be very aware that I just tap it once and I have to let go or it'll keep buying. So that's why I don't like interactive brokers, to be honest. But I guess it worked out. I still would have been in this. I probably would have had a much smaller win than what I had. So you can see here I was selling 25, 26. Because it's breakout or bailout, right? And the volume is so low on this that I'm getting kind of nervous. Especially with how many shares I have. So I'm already trying to sell out of 1,000 at 27, and then I get more sells. So I'm all the way out at in the 130s, 129s here, and I sold the rest at 121 at a loss. That was just kind of sloppy, I tried to grab another dip buy on it here. Where is it? So it took off again. And I wasn't looking to chase. I was looking to buy the dip here. So I accidentally buy on the ask instead of buying on the bid for the first 200 shares. So then I get filled 600 shares at the moving average, the 9 EMA. And I'm trying to sell it into the first 1 minute candle to make a new high. So that's the plan. Really tight stop. That one doesn't end up working out. Hold on, there's a train coming. I'll mute my microphone for a second. Okay, so sorry about that. Anyways, you can see this trade does not end up working out. I see this was being bought up. This was forming a nice hammer candle. It's unfortunate that I got filled so high. I meant to get all of my fills in at like 58, 56. Would have had a little bit of a better cost average. But, you know, that happens. That's fine. So this is the candle I was looking for it to make a new high over 162. It doesn't do it. So I have to stop out. And I give back $30 or whatever with a profit. And then my 3 trades for the day are done. So my rules were 3 trades, right? No more than 3 stocks, and I had 1 to 2 trades per name. That's it. I can't trade anymore. This one is just I was transferring over because I took some money out, so now I have to put some money back in. I bought $2,300 worth of American money from my Canadian money. So that's why that's there, but LEDS I took a quick loss on. Where is the LEDS trade? I'll show that very quickly. LEDS. It was on our watch list over 517. So I got in with 400 shares. I was looking for it to break 517 and then I was going to sell. In retrospect, this was not... oh, I did. My first trade was good on it, actually. So that was a good trade. I wonder how I screwed that one up. I must have... Did I buy... I missed my buy, and then as it surged up, I got filled at... Okay, and then I got filled at 530, and I didn't really know what to do. So that's why I put my shares up right away on the ask to try and get filled, because I realized my entry sucked. And then by the time... So there's a big seller here, and then by the time I sell, I'm already down 15 cents on the bid. And I just give it a second. I take the loss for a $25 loser. So it was unfortunate that I got filled so high, because I told myself, you know, today I have to be really, really good on my entries. And the other ones were good. And this entry was not bad, but again, terrible fill. So I tried to get out with the least amount of damage possible. Whether I should have sold earlier or not, that's fine. So I'm finishing up the day, 85. You know, not as big of a winner. I'm going to write it in the spreadsheet here. I still haven't actually made this. I'm not going to waste your guys' time on this, but whatever. So 85, 109. Not terrible for... I can't really say I used 400 shares. But I think... So MTP. I think if I had gotten only 400 shares, I would have stuck to my original plan. And I would have sold probably 200 in this push in the 30s. So 35, so 10 cents. So that would have been 10 cents on 200 shares. I would have locked up only $20. And then maybe selling a little more up here for another, I don't know. So maybe that would have been a $50 or $60 winner instead of a $100 winner. But the idea was right. So I'm happy with today, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. We'll see how I do on Thursday. Is tomorrow? Yeah, Thursday. So have a good one.